Hey, so what's up guys? Matt here with Droid Tech, and look at what I just got. Finally got a GoPro in my hands. I know it's been out for a while, but I was contemplating on whether to get it, as I already had an action camera. Of course it was a budget action camera, and the reason I didn't get this and the other previous Hero series is because of the price, and also the battery life wasn't that great, and I couldn't find myself actually using an action camera, because I mean, like, we use our phone cameras most of the time. But the reason I got this, finally decided to make this purchase, actually was because I wanted a camera which has wide angle lens, has a very wide field of view, and was rugged at the same time. I mean, you know, our phones are waterproof and all, yes, but when it comes to like really being rugged, I think you really have to give it to the GoPro, because their cameras are really rugged. I even have a case on my GoPro right here with even a lens cap. So I think that's pretty sweet. The accessories for this camera is like endless. I'm not a pro at, you know, this action camera market and stuff. I'm not really sure on what accessories to get. So if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comments. What do you think I should get for the GoPro Hero 6? Or if you have any accessories and you would like to give your feedback, do hit me up in the comments. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. I got this actually at an even lower price, at 1,700 ringgit from Ever Awards. I've known this guy for a couple of years now, and he has been very reliable. If you're in the KL area, you can actually head over to them at Plaza Laoyat, if you know where that is, and actually get the GoPro from them. They also bundled a card over here. This is a 32 GB, 100 megabytes per second card from SanDisk. This is also a V30 card, which is GoPro compatible, as you can see on the top. So they're not giving you some trash cards which normal stores actually give, you know, as a free gift. They don't really care what they're giving, they just give you a card just to make you happy. But this actually, they give a GoPro compliant card, so I think that's really nice of them to actually give this. I'll be actually collaborating with them in future videos. We are in the means of discussing, where I'll be actually getting my Sony A7 Mark III, or Sony A7 III, which many know it as, and that camera is going to be the bomb, so I can't wait to actually get the camera. Okay, let's get back to this camera. So I've never actually owned a GoPro, as you know probably by now, and this will be actually an experience for me to actually unbox this in front of you. It's a first-hand experience. So from what I know, there's actually a seal at the bottom, so let me peel that seal off. So from what I've seen in previous videos, actually it slides out from the bottom, so yeah, pretty much. So this is where all the accessories will be, and the camera is mounted on top. Let's get into the contents of the box. So opening the bottom, you can see there's some instructions on how to remove the camera from the plate. I will be keeping this plate. I think this plate shouldn't be thrown away, even though it says remove right up there, but I think I would rather keep it and mount it to something else, maybe on a table or something, for certain shots which I need. So I'll be planning to get the Kama grip as well. So I think that's still on the steeper price side. I could have gotten like maybe a Feiyutech gimbal for probably half the price, so I'll probably go for that option. But of course, it's not as seamless as having a GoPro made accessory. But anyway, let's move on. So we have GoPro Care here. So you break it, we'll replace it. I'll read that later and see what's all this about. I'm sure there are terms and conditions for everything. Marketing fluff right there. So GoPro stickers and an instruction manual. Yeah, important product and safety instructions. So I don't think you'll be reading any of this. I think these cameras are pretty straightforward. I mean, how complicated can it get? It's not like a DSLR or maybe a mirrorless camera or some professional high-end cameras. So it's just a simple camera. Okay, so you can see some sticky mouse here. 2 sticky mouse. I'll figure out what that is for. Okay, and then the battery. I heard this battery life is not so great, so I'll probably get myself another one. You can see it's super small. I was expecting it to be slightly bigger, but it's really small. My old action camera's battery is even bigger than that in terms of size. In terms of capacity, is roughly around the same. Okay, then you have a USB-C cable. This is something I'm really happy about, because I'm all about USB-C now, so I've actually upgraded all my devices and everything to USB-C. So I think this is a great addition to my kit. Okay, so that's all for this side of the package. Let's check out the other side. Is there anything else? Okay, so there's nothing else in the package. Okay, so let me figure out how to get this thing off the mount. It's my first time, so okay, that worked. So I got this thing out. Should I be throwing this away? Okay, maybe I'll just keep it in there. Okay, so you can see this camera is pretty similar to my old action camera. Let me bring it for you. As you can see, my old camera has a screen attached, so it's slightly thicker, so I can remove this. Okay, so there's a screen right here, and this is my old camera. So I think you have probably seen this camera around. I have even a filter here, UV filter. This camera element is pretty screwed up. That's the reason I had to get this. So you can see size comparison. I can see that the GoPro is a lot heavier. Of course, I have this piece attached. I'll take it out and see how this goes. Let me figure out how to take this out. Should I be pulling this off? Oh, okay. Alright. Figure it out. Let me get it out of this compartment right here, so I don't damage stuff. Okay, I got it out. Okay, you can see the GoPro is right here as compared to the Yi. So you can see the size is about the same. But of course, this doesn't have a screen. If the screen attached, it will be even thicker. So you can see this has a touch screen right here. I need to get a screen protector before I scratch this up, because I heard this screen really scratches up fast. Okay, on the side you can see mode. Front is a small screen right here to just tell you basic information in terms of frame rate and the duration. You can see the GoPro branding right here, and also on the side you can see Hero 6. I'm not sure whether the lights are here. Right here, you see right there on the top you have the record button, probably the power button, is it? Okay, maybe not. The power button is right here. Okay, you can see my first time on the bottom, a speaker and battery door. Okay, so it's pretty sturdy. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the build. I've already smudged the lens, so great. I have to clean it up later. Okay, so what I like about this as compared with my previous action camera is that this action camera is not waterproof without the housing. So I think with the housing it looks pretty ugly, and it also impacts or affects the mic sound quality. But I mean, it's not great after all. I usually do this for B-roll, so it's not really, my go-to camera. But anyway, and this is the LCD screen. So if I fit this together with the old camera, you can see how thick and bulky this is. Okay, but anyway, this camera has served me well. I've used this on a couple of trips. Okay, so that's about it for the unboxing. I'll be using it and testing it out and see how this camera actually functions, because I'm not really sure of the menu interface and all. But I'll be posting shots on my Instagram page. You can follow me on droidtech_official on Instagram and droidtech unbox on Facebook. So I'll be taking some shots with the GoPro Hero 6, and I'll have my opinions right there in the description, so you can check that out. So that wraps it out for this video, guys. This has just been a quick unboxing and probably a size comparison with my previous camera, and the reason why I got this and not another Yi camera, and also the whole purpose of this GoPro right here. So I think this camera is gonna be my daily camera if I'm not too lazy to carry it around. Anyways, I'll just put in the battery and I'll plug into a charger and get it charged up. See you guys, and take care.